I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Doritos chat. First, let's gather our simple ingredients for this incredibly flavorful dip. You'll need one large bag of your favorite Doritos, approximately 9 ounces, which we'll crush later. For the creamy base, grab 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and 1/2 cup of sour cream. To add a fresh kick, prepare 1/4 cup of finely chopped green onions. Finally, for that extra savory depth, have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder ready. Now let's get to the fun part, mixing everything together. Begin by crushing your entire bag of Doritos into fine crumbs. A food processor or a Ziploc bag with a rolling pin works perfectly. In a large mixing bowl, combine the softened cream cheese and sour cream, beating them until the mixture is wonderfully smooth and creamy. Next, stir in your finely chopped green onions, garlic powder, and onion powder. Finally, gently fold in about 3/4 of the crushed Doritos, reserving the rest for garnish. Once your Doritos chat is mixed, it's time for a crucial step, chilling. Carefully transfer the entire mixture into a nice serving bowl. Cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap, ensuring it's sealed well. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This allows all those amazing flavors to fully meld and deepen. Just before you're ready to serve, sprinkle the remaining 1/4 of crushed Doritos over the top for an extra crunch and visual appeal. Enjoy it with more Doritos, your favorite crackers, or fresh vegetable sticks. Want to make your Doritos chat even more special? Here are some customization ideas and pro tips. Feel free to experiment with different Doritos flavors, like Cool Ranch or Spicy Nacho, to create unique taste profiles. For those who love a little heat, a pinch of cayenne pepper or a dash of hot sauce can add a fantastic spicy kick. You could also stir in 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese for an extra layer of richness. Always ensure your cream cheese is fully softened for the smoothest possible dip, and preparing it a few hours in advance allows the flavors to truly shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.